Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking in to the weathermanpod.com on this 14th day of the month of March 2025, your Friday. Looks like the east is going to be dry. Central portion of the nation getting into some rainy weather, and lots of rain and even mountain snows. Rain along the coast from Washington all the way down to Southern California and northern Baja. And it looks like snow across the mountains in northern sections of Arizona and Utah, even in sections of southern Idaho. And that has a big area of low pressure, a couple areas of low pressure move in from the Pacific Northwest and continue to move across the nation's west coast and Rocky Mountains. As it moves towards the east a little bit later on, we're going to get some of that rain in the eastern seaboard, but it does tend to dry out a bit, stay a little bit further south. All season long, it looks like the path for storms has been a little bit further south. Think back to that storm that we had in early February, late January and early February. It caused snow in New Orleans and sections of northern Florida and southern portions of Georgia and even into the Carolinas. It didn't affect the north, just light amounts below normal snowfall once again in the New York area. And it looks like this month of March is going to be between 2 and 4 degrees above normal in the east and northeast. But very wet weather across the nation's midsection and west coast. If you're flying on this Friday, it looks like dry weather into Atlanta and Charlotte, good weather into New York, into LaGuardia, JFK, and Newark. Also good weather up in Boston, in Buffalo, and in Cleveland. Chicago, an increase in clouds. It could be some locally severe weather tonight and early on Saturday. Minneapolis, St. Paul, overcast and rainy weather, IFR conditions there. Also looks like fog in the Houston, Dallas area. Dallas also going to get into some very windy conditions and dry weather. Out in the West Coast, rain in L.A., San Francisco, Portland, and Seattle as well. Weather forecast for the Northeast Corner. Well, it looks like a fair day today. Partial sunshine, but that east wind keeps the temperatures cool along the coast, generally between 50 and 55. That's just about what the ocean temperature is at this point. And that means that fair skies for today, but clouds moving in on east winds. And as those storms approach from the west, looks like we'll have lots of cloud cover on Saturday. Saturday's high temperatures will range a little bit warmer in the lower 60s, except along the coastal sections of Delmarva, Jersey coast, into Long Island and New England coast, where temperatures there will be cooler because of the influence of the ocean. It looks like an overcast and mild day on Sunday, too, with some heavy thunderstorms late day and evening. Could get between a half and 1 inch of much-needed rainfall across the Northeast later on Sunday, even into early Monday, but then drier weather later Monday and Tuesday of next week. I'm Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Hope you have a great Friday. Talk to you first thing on Saturday. Take care.